poetry and songwriting techniques to overcome depression and anxiety. Now, the process of writing a song contains many elements of self-empowerment that can aid the reduction of unwanted emotional distress symptoms. It meets all of the criteria for a positive self-care routine. Many musicians and therapists believe that songwriting is an excellent way for children, young people, and adults to explore and process a wide range of emotions such as hope, fear, joy, sorrow, excitement, and anxiety, which they can discover as they learn to play with words and melodies. Our research has shown that participating in the process of creating music can be a successful component for therapy for children and young people suffering from depression. Active music making within a therapeutic frame offers opportunities for new aesthetic, physical, and relational experiences to aid young children and teens who have behavioral problems and those who are vulnerable to depression and mental health issues. Try music if you're looking for a new creative way to express your fears and anxieties. You don't have to be Beyonce or Rihanna or the next big band to be successful. You're not attempting to start writing the next big hit. So set aside any preconceived opinions you have about what constitutes as a great song. This is for you to let go and become aware of your emotions and feelings. Now, I want you to follow these 3 steps that can get you on your way. Step 1. Now, you can do this using a piece of paper, your phone, or any device. Simply just find a quiet space where you feel comfortable. I want you to observe your surroundings, taking in everything in the room. Or simply close your eyes, focus and concentrate on your current mood, or simply focus on the events that are happening right now in your life. Step 2. I want you to write down 10 thoughts and feelings or words that come into your mind. Remember, this can be anything, so don't feel pressured to write the best words you can think of. Just let it come naturally. Number each word. They could be 10 things that are extremely important to you. Personal, relational, or anything that comes to your mind. Anything that relates to your life or the events and circumstances that you may be going through. It may help if these words have a relationship to each other. Here's an example. Here's my 10 words. Number 1, family. 2, love. 3, proud. 4, sing. 5, whole. 6, joy. 7, life. 8, world. 9, free. 10, bird. Step 3. Now that you have all of your words, let's join these words together by connecting them by constructing basic sentences. For example, I can't explain the love I have for my family because I love them so. They make me feel whole. I'm so proud of my life. The joy I bring completes me. It makes me want to sing. It makes me want to tell the world that I'm free. Free like a bird, flying through the day without being disturbed. Now you try it. You see how simple that was? Now you can apply this method and repeat it as much times as possible. As long as you're gaining a constructive feeling from this, you're more than welcome to try it as much times as possible. I hope this has helped, and I want to thank you. My name is Richard Akins from the Music Club, signing out.